Today's like a hot and busy packed day, so I'm gonna take a dip in the pool. Today's already a great morning. I went for a run, I've got a little swim in, and I've got some business done already. It's gonna get even better. We're gonna talk about tripods today. You know, the thing that's holding up this camera right now, and I got a wedding to shoot this weekend, so I gotta use a lot of tripods. So you might as well go through the tripods that I use and why I use each one of them. This water's so warm. You know, as fun as filming weddings are and shooting weddings with photos, I think the most exciting part is actually going back and editing and turning those photos that you took that you're like, I don't know if that was a great shot, but I hope it was good. I love seeing the reactions to the photos afterwards. It's a very humbling experience to go through the process of selecting the photos that we're gonna post on social media and then actually posting it. So I get nervous doing that, but it usually turns out good. So I went through all the photos already. I spent the last few days going through them, but I picked out about 18 photos that I'm gonna post over the next 2 days. Hopefully it goes good. I don't know how I'm supposed to find anything in here. I can't even get into the office. I don't know what the fire trucks are here for. They said we can go back in, so I went back in. I got 2 packages from B&H Photo. Honestly, probably the best store. It says, caution, if this tape is broken or covered, check for hidden damages and concealed loss. The problem is, they dropped the package off and left. It's in a mail room. Let's open it up and let's talk about tripods. Tripods. As filmmakers, we love them, we hate them. It's something we have to use. And there's just never one that I can find that is great. See, we have small ones like this, where I have a phone mount on that kind of just go out like this. It twists, it goes up. Problem with this one is it just like, even though you lock it in place, it'll still like, it doesn't work great. Then you got things like this, selfie sticks. I don't think I've ever used this. Then we got the Joby line. These things, you see them everywhere. They're Gorilla Pods. They're great for most cases until it breaks. See, the thing is, they get really loose in like 1 or 2 joints, and then they start cracking, and then this happens. It's literally, there's a crack in this. Happens all 3 of these. All 3 of these have a crack in it. And then we get into, you know, the actual tripods that have turn things, extending legs. This is a cheap one. Then you get into the issue of the heads. Heads are not interchangeable whatsoever. This one doesn't even have an arm. This one just has like a little ball thing, which is great because you can turn it on the side. Then we get into the more quality ones. Manfrotto Be Free. This is my #1 go-to traveling because it fits right on the side of my backpack. It works perfectly. It's great. I use this one all the time. It just takes a little bit to get in place, and then it's just this pivot head right here that just kind of goes back and forth. Great tripod. I love it. This plate works perfectly with the next one, which is also a Manfrotto. Big guy. This one's great. I use this one for video most of the time. This one is excellent. You can go all the way out with it, and it just goes click, click, click all the way in to this point is the closest in it goes. Great tripod. Heavy, massive, and takes up a lot of space. Oh, wait, I forgot one. We got gimbals. I know they're not considered tripods, but they still got legs like tripods, and they still function as a tripod. There's issues. It requires a battery. So that's where today's package comes in. I know I already mentioned it, but I think it's funny that it says if it's ripped, not to open it. It's a box inside of a box. package inside the package. Sad thing is I haven't had to use a knife yet. Legs fold down. Stands up. This is a monopod. I know, another toy to play with. You can kind of move it around, it has a little ball joist to it, and it stays flat on the ground. The benefit of this is you're able to take it more places. I can collapse the legs. Gotta push the little button to collapse the legs. You can collapse the legs and just take it with me. Want to make it smaller? Yeah. Gotta get used to it. It's brand new. It has a fluid head. And it spins in both directions. Anyway, that's my rant on tripods. I gotta get packing and head out. The backpack is packed. Everything is ready to go and organized. So you're actually probably not gonna see much. I'll just be in Eau Claire soon. Well, that's gonna be it. I made it to Eau Claire. I got some beautiful drone shots of the church for tomorrow, so I'm set. It was beautiful. It was golden hour. You probably already saw them because I put them in here because I'm happy about them. I got a lot done today, and I got to swim in. I haven't gone swimming in a while, and a nice run. So that's gonna be it.